Here the question is x minus 7 absolute equal to 18. What is x? We have to find the value of x. For this, first we write here as x minus 7 absolute equal to 18. First thing we should know about absolute value function. Uh, if we define the absolute value function, we can write here if there is absolute of a, then it means that a may be positive or negative. There may be both possibilities that this value may be positive or negative. So according to this definition, we can say that if because x minus 7 absolute is equal to 18, so we can write here x minus 7 is equal to plus 18 if we remove the absolute sign. So there may be x minus 7 equal to plus 18, or another option is x minus 7 is equal to minus 18. These are the two possibilities. So we have to solve these two. For the first one, we can write x is equal to 18. So this minus 7, if we turn it to right side, so it will become plus 7. And on the other side, x is equal to minus 18 is same. And here for minus 7, if we take it to the right side, it will become plus 7. So here x is equal to 18 plus 7 is 25, and similarly here x is equal to minus 18 plus 7 is minus 11. So two values of x are minus 11 and 25. Minus 11 and 25 is the option B. So correct answer is option B. Similarly, the next question is x plus 3 under the root is equal to 5. What is x? Here we have to find the value of x from this equation, which is x plus 3 under the root equal to 5. For this, we will write first thing that we have to remove the square root from x plus 3. So to solve this, for removing the square root, we always taking square on both sides. So we will take square on both sides to remove square root. So equation is x plus 3 under the root is equal to 5. So we will take square on both sides. Here square root and square cancelled each other. So we have x plus 3 is equal to square of 5 is 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25. So we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to 25 as it is, and when we move this plus 3 to the right side, it will become minus 3. So 25 minus 3 is 22. So the value of x will be 22, which is option D. Option D is the correct answer of this question.